So what do you do when your Dyson V8 battery no longer works? Well, instead of buying a cheap ass battery that will explode in your damn house, try maybe get a Dewalt or Makita or Milwaukee battery and then this converter. Perfect solution. Replacing the battery is as simple as removing 3 screws from the machine. And as you can see, I'm pointing here on the 2 screws in the bottom. Actually, you don't even have to remove that weird tube. It's kind of best if you don't. I just didn't know at that time. So just keep the tube on. The last screw you will find at the handle in the top, right there. Get it out. And then all you have to do is just pull it down. Whoop, like that. And now, after putting back the tube on again, all we have to do is take the new replacement, stick it up like the other one, and then just attach the 3 screws again. Very, very, very simple. The reason I chose the Dewalt battery is now it's gonna last much longer. You can use it for your other tools. You can easily replace it if it runs dry for battery. So what is there to complain about? And now for the big test. Here we go. Works absolutely perfect. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.